Welcome to the eSignature module, designed for effortless and secure digital signing. In this walkthrough, we will explore the Save a Signature feature, making future signings quicker and more convenient. To begin, navigate to the Signature section within your eSignature dashboard. At the top right corner, you have a gear icon. On clicking the gear icon, Add Signature option pops up. Click on Add Signature. If you choose the Draw option, use the canvas to sketch your unique signature. You may adjust color and font style when you type to align with your professional needs. Click on Save to save the signature and ensure that you give a unique name to each of the signature you are saving. Please note, you may be able to save only 5 signatures at a time. If you like to save more signature, you may delete by clicking on the delete icon and save more signatures. However, at any given point, you will be able to save maximum of 5 signatures. To upload a signature, click on upload icon and click in the middle. Then you will be able to upload an image. And if you like to crop, click on the crop icon here and you may able to crop it and save. Likewise, if you like to type, click on type and type your name. You may choose the font style of your preference and click save. Give a name to the signature. You may save a signature in all three forms such as draw, upload and type with unique name. For the purpose of this demonstration, I will show you how the saved signature works in real time. The Save Signature option is applicable only to the user who has an account with WayMore eSignature module. To apply the saved signature, click on the signature field, go to Save tab. You may able to see the two signatures that which we saved earlier. Double click on it and you have the signature available. If you want to change the signature, again click on the signature, go to Save and select another signature. eSignature module allows you to save your signature during the signing process as well. Click on the signature, go to any of the tab that you want to and make a signature of your choice and then click save. Give a name and save. So now on the go, you will be able to save your signature. So signatures can be saved in both ways. One when you are at the dashboard, one at the time of saving. And that's it. Your signature is safely stored, ready for instant use whenever you need it. Try it today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more way more tutorials. And remember, with way more, you achieve way more.